The 2013 Q5. The unmistakable Q5 sets a new standard for dynamic crossover performance, design, and luxury. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, power lift gate, traction control, all-wheel drive, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, moonroof, Bluetooth, driver airbag, air conditioning, front alloy wheels, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.